Hey there, today I'm going to show you what's known as the sofa stretch or the couch stretch. So this particular stretch really targets that quadricep muscle. The quadricep crosses the knee through the kneecap or the patella into the patellar tendon, and then one of the bellies of your quadricep actually crosses the hip joint. So this particular stretch is really good to target both of those ends of the big, large, strong, and often tight quadricep muscle. So for this, you need an elevated surface. I have my bench here, but it could be a couch, could be a bed. As you become more advanced, it certainly could be the wall as well. But start with something that's easy, has sort of a soft corner to it so that you're not having anything too sharp digging into the inside of your ankle. I have this foam roller to assist. You could also use a broomstick or a doweling or something like that, but use what you have available, use what you have around you to make this exercise or stretch work for you. So to start off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my left foot up on this bench, bending over. Ideally, the tibia is going to be perpendicular to the ground, but if you're not flexible enough, you certainly can bring your knee out so it's not quite there. From this position, ideally I can come up into this lunge or half kneeling position. Some of us, a lot of us, this is going to be too tight, and if that's the case, that's no big deal. A little bit of a modification is to have that front leg bent on the ground like I am here, and then you can work yourself up to this type of position. So this would be the level one or the beginner part of this particular stretch. I'm going to go up to the next level, so right here. From here you can hold at sort of minimum 30 seconds. I sometimes do this up to 4 or 5 minutes, and there's nothing wrong with that. It allows the connective tissue, the muscles, to really relax while I'm here. While you're in this position, use this to apply an upward pressure if you can. That's why it's here. It's also to stabilize a little bit. And after the first minute, if you're going to hold it a little bit longer, what I would recommend doing is applying some PNF technique, so the contract, relax. So what I would do, as if I was extending this back foot, I would push it into the couch, sofa, bench, whatever you have available. Hold for 8 to 10 seconds, and then relax, exhale. And you'll notice you'll be able to get a little bit deeper into the stretch. Another thing you can do is do the same thing with the hips. So what I'm going to do is with this knee, I'm going to act or contract as if I'm trying to push the ground forward with that knee. So that's going to activate the hip. This is quite tense for myself here because I have some tight hips. I'm going to do that for 8 to 10 seconds and then exhale. And I can already feel it open up a little bit. As I advance myself, I can start pushing myself into a little bit more of a lean. I can start to rotate to both sides to apply the stretch in a three-dimensional context. Give it a try. I hope you like it.